Hello YouTube, G4 back with you. This is be the final box break for the foreseeable future. It's the 2014 Chrome. Hopefully I get do halfway decent with it, because I mentioned before I've never had much luck breaking Chrome boxes. But I figured I'd at least try one just to see if I could do anything. Chrome, you'd almost be better off buying the jumbos, probably. Cause I think at the end, don't you get 2 autographs plus a relic in them? But at least I got that at didn't have any, so I just decided to go with just a regular one. So let's just get to it. I'm not going to show base, but if anybody does need any base, just let me know. Let's see, we got mini of Charles Sims. I know a lot of people does the refractor sets and gets the rainbow refractor sets of the players. That's our base. We got rookie of Blake Bortles, Odell Beckham, refractor of Patrick Willis, and base. Rookie Jason Verrett, Charles Sims, got a blue wave Aaron Donald, base. Let's see, Zach Martin rookie. Fantasy Focus, Jason Witten, and base. So we got Cody Hoffman rookie, Tyler Gaffney rookie, refractor Denarius Moore. Base. See, Jarrett McKinnon rookie. Got one of those 85 inserts, Jeremy Hill, and base. Stephon Tuitt, Derek Carr, rookies, Camo Torrey Smith, and base. Jason Morrow, Teddy Bridgewater, Reggie Wayne refractor, Devontae Adams, A.J. McCarron. Green refractor, Xavier Grimble. Never heard of him. Base. Okay, Logan Thomas. That's not too bad. Die cut Johnny Manziel. So that's a nice one. And base. Cody Latimer, Jadeveon Clowney, refractor Wes Welker, Damian Williams, rookie, another 85 tops, Charles Sims. Base and base. The rookie, Xavier Grimble. A mini of Johnny Manziel. Someone who never hadn't pulled a card of him before. I'm sort of stacking up now. That makes, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 4 that I pulled gotten today. Okay, Ryan Shazier, Robert Herron, rookies. Refractor of Zach Ertz. Okay. Darquez Denard, Marion Grice, rookies. I'm guessing this is like the Prism refractor or something, or whatever it's called. I don't think it's numbered though. Antoine Exel. Okay, Pierre Desir, rookie. Fantasy Focus, Marshawn Lynch. And base. Let's see. Ahmad Dixon, rookie. Jordan Matthews, rookie. Kendall Wright, refractor. Okay, let's see. Taj Boyd, rookie. 85 tops, Jimmy Garoppolo. Base. Aaron Murray, rookie. Jared Abadaris, rookie. Got a, I think that's the black refractor, Devin Street. It's number to 299. Still hadn't hit the autograph, and I got 5 packs left. So must be saving the disappointment for last. Terrence West, rookie. One of those 85 refractors, Aaron Williams. I think it's there. Yeah, Andre Williams, I'm sorry. Numbered in 99. And a Muhammad Wilkerson refractor. Sammy Watkins, rookie. And there's my autograph. Of course, it'd be somebody. Would have to be a defensive guy. Scott Crichton. So that's a big old. Well, it is what it is. I'm sure somebody out there collects his cards that might be interested. Other than that, there'll be care package material. Brendan Coleman, rookie. Now, the first one I hit in this box, 80, the tall boy, Jay Samaro. And the others are base. Two packs to go. So unless they really decide to surprise me in these, that pretty much shows why I never have luck with Chrome. Dree Archer, rookie. Michael Sam, rookie. That's probably better than an autograph. Peyton Manning refractor. That's probably, what, $5, $6. Final pack. It brings Bishop Sankey, rookie. 85 tops, Johnny Manziel. So at least I'm loading up on him. And base. So that's it for this lackluster box break series. Hope everybody else had a good mail day, and hope y'all have a good evening out there. And hopefully the mailman will be generous and he might bring me something tomorrow. If not, I'll see you when I see you. So with that, I hope everybody has a good evening out there. Stay strong and stay stout. And we are Autograph Strong. Talk to you all later.